Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make this car rotation trend effect that almost every editor is using today. All we have to do is to mask out the wheel perfectly. To mask you can use After Effects Ellipse tool, Roto Brush tool or a Mocha AE. Let's jump into the Mocha, select an ellipse tool here and mask the wheel. Once you are done, click on Tracking button. As the tracking is finished, click on Save button and close Mocha AE. Now under the Mocha expand matte and click on Apply Matte. Cool, we have a smooth wheel layer. Now duplicate the layer, rename the top one to Wheel. Then select bottom one and delete Mocha AE on it. At the very beginning of the bottom clip, press R on your keyboard, then click on Rotation Stopwatch icon. Now go a few frames forward and rotate your car as much as you want. Effect is almost done. Let's avoid from this black edges, add motion tile effect on that layer. Toggle on mirror edges and change output height and width to 200. Now go to very end of the clip, right-click on rotation and select Reset. This will bring rotation to normal. Now select all keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard to ease them. Then go to Graph Editor. Right-click there and select Edit Value Graph, then make a smooth curve like mine. That's better. Enable motion blur on that layer. Let's check JRY Media's video. In his video the wheel is also rotating but in opposite direction. Let's do it quickly. Select the wheel layer now and press R on your keyboard, click on rotation stopwatch icon. Now go to the moment where the bottom video's second keyframe is and change their rotation but in opposite direction. In my case my bottom video's rotation value is positive 83. On a wheel layer I will make value to negative 83. So the wheel will rotate to opposite direction. Now go to very end of the video, right-click on rotation and click on Reset. Enable motion blur on wheel layer as well. Then select all keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard, then go to Graph Editor and make the same smooth curve we did on previous clip. The curve here is upside down, because of the rotation's negative values. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.